Simone's Home is a residential group home for teenage girls ages 12 to 18 in long-term foster care. We house 6 girls that have been in foster care for a long period of time, no fault of their own, and we teach life skills so that once they turn 18, they can maintain their independence. They take care of themselves. They all have chores. They do their own cooking and washing and grocery shopping. They all have to work during the summer, and some have jobs during the school year. I've witnessed 4 girls graduate from high school, 3 of which started college, 2 that are currently still in college. So those are bigger success stories. You know, if they get jobs and have never worked before, and they work a summer job and they're excited and they get up and they're cashing their paycheck, that's a success story. I've had young girls whose self-esteem was so low that she walked with her head down, you know, 5 or 6 feet behind you. And to just be with her and encourage her and now have her hold her head up and say, hey, I am beautiful and I am somebody. That's a success story. When I bought the house, it didn't have any plumbing, it didn't have any electrical. We started from scratch. So we've come a long way, but yet and still we still have a long way to go. We need funds just to get our credit cards paid off. We need a new roof, and just so I don't have to worry about lights, water, and gas, and I can focus on program development. I get so excited every time I get a new girl in my program, and I look at them all because they all have the potential of changing the world for the better.